Adding measurements to the online spreadsheet. There are two ways to add measurements in the application. Select the cell you want to transfer the measurement to. Right-click on the measurements you want to add to this cell. Select the value you want to enter into the cell. The same can be done with help of pop-up panel. In this way you can add several measurements at once. The second way is to add them via the Select Measurements tool. Turn on the Select Tool mode, and you can select measurements. Thank you for watching.